Welcome back. In last lecture, we studied the types of account in which we study in detail personal account and real account. Now, the last part of the types classification of account is nominal account. The accounts of expenses, losses, income and gains are called a nominal account. Examples are wages account, which is expenses, stationery account, expenses account, salary account, expense account, depreciation account, expense account, commission received, gain account or income account, discount received, gain account. So these are the examples of nominal account. Nominal account relate to expenses म्हणजे खर्च, लॉसेस म्हणजे तोटा, इन्कम म्हणजे मिळकत आणि गेन म्हणजे मिळकत पण जी रोज होत नाही, कधीतरी अचानक होते अशी, त्यामुळे डिस्काउंट मिळणं ही काय झाली, गेन झाला. सो दीज आर द examples: wages account, stationery account, salary account, depreciation account, commission received and discount received. So nominal account relates to expenses, losses, income and gain. So basically there are three types of account: personal, real and nominal account. In personal account there are three parts: natural person, artificial person, representative person. Real account relates to things or property: tangible real account and intangible real account. Nominal account relate to expenses, losses, income and gains. So in definition also we know that the account is the summary or summarize the record of transactions affecting one person, one kind of property or one class of gain or loss. Person, property, gain on loss. Person, property, gain on loss. Person, personal account. Property, real account. Gain and loss, nominal account. So definition is most important, in which we also know the classification, how to classify the account. So an account is summarized record of transactions affecting one person, in person account, one kind of property means real account, and one class of gain or loss means nominal account. So these are the three types of account. In today's lecture we can discuss the nominal account and also personal, real and nominal account. These are the classification of accounts, which is very important. The personal account, natural person account, examples is Abhinandan's account, Ashok's account, your account, your brothers, sisters, parents account. Artificial person account, Pune Municipal Corporation account, Kolhapur Municipal Corporation account, Bank of India account, Sports Club account. Representative personal account, example is outstanding expenses, income received in advance, accrued income, outstanding income, prepaid expenses. Real account, tangible real account and intangible account. Example of tangible real account: computer account, cash account, machinery account, building account. Examples of intangible real account: goodwill account, patent account, copyright account. And last part is nominal account, in which expenses and losses, income and gain. Examples of expenses: stationery account, purchase account, advertisement account. Example of income and gains: interest received, dividend, discount received, sales account. So these are the most important parts of accounting by which you can also relate to अदर पार्ट्स. म्हणजे जर तुम्हाला हे क्लासिफिकेशन लक्षात राहिलं तर तुम्ही लेजर, बाकीच्या गोष्टी आहेत, बॅलन्स शीट, प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस, जे पुढचा पार्ट आहे ते सुद्धा तुम्ही व्यवस्थित करू शकाल. जास्तीत जास्त शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा. काय समजत नसेल तर कमेंट करून विचारा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा सांगा. 50च्या वर सबस्क्रिप्शन झाले तर मी लाईव्ह सुद्धा येईन. त्यामुळे आता 37 सबस्क्रायबर आहेत. जास्तीत जास्त शेअर करा. 11वी पासून बीकॉम पर्यंत सगळं अकाउंट, त्याच पद्धतीने इन्कम टॅक्स आपण यामध्ये घेऊया. सो प्लीज share with your friends of 11 to BCom and subscribe more. Because of this we can take a live lectures also. Thank you. धन्यवाद.